2016, the first conference was held in Hawaii. Its main purpose is shaping vision for 2030 and how us youth now would like to see our future. Tracking back to last year in Japan, this conference was held in Japan, in Hiroshima, in Onomichi. The main focus was the bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima years ago. And a lot of our discussions that we done was about cultural revitalization, because that was a culture that was damaged through the bombings, and it was about how they brought themselves up back again to be a thriving culture. Now this year we're also talking about cultural revitalization and sustainability. Now, one of the main focuses we were looking at was kohana reo, as well as the environment around us. We're getting to a point where we need to start doing something to keep our environment and keep our area how it used to be. The students, they're hungry. They're hungry to know about our culture. They're really wanting to know what we do here in Lower Hutt as well as New Zealand. And it's about them knowing what we do and being able to develop their own communities. Maybe we might have ideas for them. And yeah, that's what a lot of the feedback has been about. The major one is Hawaii, the Hawaiians. They love our culture, and as well as I love their culture as well. And it's because of the close connections we have between our islands through storytelling as well, revitalization, sustainability of our stories, and that we know our connections back to Hawaii, and we are able to talk about it and sing about it. I think now Māori have to adapt to the realization that cultures are coming in here, there and everywhere. It is about us holding up the tikana and the thought of manaakitanga and looking after everybody. Kia ora.